My ingredients, broccoli, carrots, onions, and garlic. Magic syrup and black pepper. This is cabbage. Already put the onions and garlic, and I have here the cuttlefish and shrimp, and this one is hot dog also. So I just fry this one, saute this one first. So I just mix it well so until the shrimp become cooked. So I will put the broccoli and carrots, and then I will let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and then I forget to show you the anchovies. I have anchovies, guys. I will put also the anchovies, the small, what's the call of that one? Dilis, I think. Yeah, anchovies, dried dilis. So I will put the seasoning and also the black pepper. Then I already put 1 teaspoon of vinegar and 1 to 2 tablespoon of soy sauce, because I will also put the anchovy, so it's already it's a little bit it's a little bit salty. So that's it. I will just mix this one. So this is already cooked. I will put the cabbage after this one, and anchovies. Already put cabbage. I already put the anchovies, guys. This is the anchovies, the dilis, dried small fish dilis or anchovies, and then that's it. Thank you for watching. Let's eat.